Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2021 Ram 1500 Classic Warlock quad cab in diamond black crystal pearl. With bifunction halogen projector headlamps, black grille with Ram lettering, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, sport tail lamps, black powder-coated rear bumper, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 13,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, remote start system, rear folding seats, 5.7-liter V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6068B.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.